MECO XM-L2 5-mode zoomable LED flashlight. The body of this flashlight is built of high-quality aluminum alloy, and it has a very solid construction. Internal wiring applies the high-efficient booster circuit, and can utilize the batteries in the largest extent. Excellent waterproof, suitable for outdoor environment, adverse weather conditions except for diving. Focus function that allow the beam can be focused. Excellent flashlight with a large radius on minimal extension and a far-reaching 16 meters, clear light on maximum extension. Works perfectly with the 18650 Sony VTC4 battery. Bright but not 2000 lumens as promised. Lastly, it a value for money product. Multifunction switch with the 3 modes of operation. This lamp is very convenient for normal beam mode flap modes. Nice solid product. Tested it with ordinary batteries and I am impressed by the light it produce. Nice buy. I have a similar flashlight that is a verified 500 lumen rating and this one is half as bright at the same spread of that. I would guess 200 or maybe 250 lumen. Bright for the price but give me a break with this 2000 BS. Not surprisingly, it feels really cheap. With the zoom you can adjust the focus of the light beam very good to suit your needs. Use this as a bike lamp. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.